We are the company A, and we are going to talking about the AUrbanStep, the name of the company. Vision: being a company that produces urban style footwear for everyday use of people and that meets the national and international demand, contributing to the construction of a better society, promoting good business actions, including and contributing to reducing the climate change where possible. Mission: our mission is produce the market shoes designed for daily use in the city, meeting the highest quality standards of national and international industry, provide a healthy and inclusive work environment to improve the working environment of workers, subcontractors, and society at large. Values: we have four principal values: responsibility, differentiation, social responsibility, and quality. Responsibility, that means in the products, the production, the marketing campaigns, and shipping of each other from our customers. Differentiation, always try to stand out from the rest of the competition. Social responsibility, respect for all the workers and customers. Commitment to healthy competition. Quality, our shoes are of the best quality and durability. Objectives. The objectives are simple: provide high quality footwear, increase our customer base, have the best attention to our customers, impose fashion in the urban style. The goals. Okay, for resume the text, our goals are a company with economic stability, constantly growing, a consolidated position in the market, and supply the national and international demand.
I will discuss our production lines, which are divided into three types of footwear: boots, casual shoes, and sneakers. Each production line is designed to meet different needs in the urban market, ensuring that we have an option for every style and customer preference. This diversification not only allowed us to reach different customer segments, but also strengthens our brand in the urban footwear sector by offering products that adapt to various situations and lifestyles. In this slide, we can see the results obtained by each product line in different regions. These results have allowed us to analyze which of our strategies has been most effective, which has been essential for optimizing production and adjusting our strategies in each market. This detailed analysis of results has been key in identifying our strengths and areas for improvement, enabling us to make better informed decisions and continue growing in each region sustainably. Regarding our market strategies, we have adopted a specific approach for each region in North America and Asia Pacific. Initially, in North America, we applied a low-cost strategy with a wide variety of models. However, in recent years, we decided to switch to a high differentiation strategy to make our products stand out. In Asia Pacific, we decided to maintain a standard quality and consistent pricing. However, seeing that both markets share some consumption characteristics, we opted to manage a similar strategy in both regions. This approach has made it easier to oversee and control our international operations. For Europe and Africa, we chose a strategy similar to the ones that we use in North America, focusing on a high level of differentiation and shipping quality, assuming that the purchasing power of these markets would allow us to compete at this level. In Latin America, on the other hand, we maintain a high differentiation strategy, although not the same extent as in other regions. Since Latin America generates less profit compared to other markets, we prioritize our resources in areas that have shown greater profitability.
In this slide, we can see our earnings in North America, Europe, Africa, Pacific, Asia, and Latin America. In order, they are $44,203, $33,903, $1,999, and $58. As you can see, we did a very good job in every region except Latin America. Nonetheless, in general, we did a very good job with a final earning of $66,702 when we take into account the costs. For our performance on the market in the internet, each year we kept doing a very good job and it kept increasing. For this section, we found success in every area, where in year 17 we had an incredible performance. Taking this into account, let's mention how we did in year 16. We sold 616 pairs in North America, 572 pairs in Europe, Africa, 696 pairs in Pacific Asia, and 48 pairs in Latin America, for a total of 1,932. For year 17, we sold 664 pairs in North America, 594 pairs in Europe, Africa, 773 pairs in Pacific Asia, and 474 pairs in Latin America, for a total of 2,505 pairs. As seen, we increased the pairs sold by 29% and performed very well, even in Latin America, where we did not so well. In this slide, we see our balance sheet and cash flow statement. The assets and liabilities for this section are overall great. For our actives, we take into account the net cash balance we had at the end of year 17. For our total cash available from all sources, we take into account our beginning cash balance, which is of $125,969, and the receipts from footwear sales, which is of $473,879, for a total cash available of $602,115. We subtract the many expenses we had, which is of $493,134, and this is how we end up with the number of $108,981. Adding this number and taking into account the accounts receivable, which is of $76,112, the footwear inventories, which is of $6,370, it results in a total of current assets of $191,463. We add this number to the net investment in facilities and equipment, which is of $324,105, in the production improvement options on order for $20,400, and we end up with total assets of $535,968. For our liabilities, we had our accounts payable for $17,954, a current portion of long-term bank loans of $9,900, and long-term bank loans outstanding of $9,900, for a total of $37,754. Finally, in our balance sheet, we increased our total shareholder equity by 15.45%, for a total of $498,214.
Let's start by discussing our marketing and administrative expenses. Given last year's setbacks, we decided to adjust our investment approach. We allocated resources to several key areas, such as search engine advertising, investing in online visibility to rebuild and expand our audience reach, website maintenance, ensuring our online presence remained accessible and appealing as part of our improvement strategy, and celebrity endorsements, strengthening brand perception through partnership with well-known figures, especially after a year where brand loyalty was tested. The chart shows our marketing investment broken down by regions: North America, Europe, Africa, Asia Pacific, and Latin America. We strategically increased our investment in America and Asia to capture growth opportunities and make up for last year's lower engagement levels. This approach is part of our broader effort to boost brand presence and customer retention. Next, let's review our production and workforce data. This year, we focused on improving efficiency and reducing waste, given the operational challenge we encountered previously. The chart provides details on production statistics, the number of units produced under regular hours and overtime, along with rejected pairs and production efficiency, rejection rate and cost. We worked to reduce the rejection rates, as high rejection rates impacted our cost and profitability. Capacity utilization. By maximizing our production capacity to 100% utilization, we aim to recover lost productivity and streamline operations. Labor costs by region also varied, reflecting our need to balance workforce and expenses across North America, Europe, Asia, and Latin America, while keeping in mind the lessons learned from last year. In conclusion, our refining strategies in each of these areas help us to improve significantly after last year's challenges. By allocating resources strategically, enhancing operational efficiency, and focusing on target growth, we are seeing positive trends towards our financial and operational goals. This simulator provided us with experience reinforced on our commitment to resilience and adaptability, providing valuable insights for continuing our recovery and strengthening our presence in each market.